Sam here, and welcome to PixelMate. This is a brand new graphic design tool that lets you create animated banners and designs within your browser. Now, instead of creating just static designs, animated designs are perfect for retargeting ads and banners on various websites. Now, what makes this different as well is not only can you create animated banners, but you can also track how they're doing through embedding it on a website as well. So let's take a look at how you design it, and we'll take a walkthrough of some of the other features within this. And an important thing to note is with this included on the front end is a commercial license, meaning you can do these creations for people on Fiverr, your own clients, everything like that. So let's take a look at what's included. Within this, you've got a whole bunch of templates that are already done for you in a huge number of categories. As you can see, different social media posts, different all sorts of different things. So let's just jump in. We will go small square. Okay, as you can see, different visual displays of how things look, so we can sort of choose what is going to be good. So if I like, say for example, I like the look of this one, I click on the preview button, okay, and we can see what it's going to look like. So this looks like it's a static one, so let's find an animated one. This is an animated, oh here we go. If we scroll down even more, keep loading up. I'm on quite a slow connection here, by the way, just so you know. So we can go through, and I know that for a fact this one is animated because I did this one before. So you can see they've got different animations here, which is ideal for a banner, and then the shirt slides in. How cool. Let's edit this one because it will be a good example because it's got lots of animations. So it's loading up the editor now, loading up all the different fonts, and it is already done. It's got the image there. Now it's pretty simple. It's a case of just clicking. You can drag, you can move. So if I double click this and I write in demo shirts, you will be able to see I've got the font there. I can change various bits and pieces to do with this. Like if we go into, we go back into this. We can choose the color. We can make it pink as well. We can make it blue. Now I'm just going to move that over. And again, we could do this for this everyday living, super shirts. Just literally writing in anything here just to show you how easy it actually is to be able to do it, and drag and drop it. Same with the website, all these different elements here. Now if I want to go about changing different bits and pieces, I can go resize the shading on the background, anything like that. Okay, let's jump into the shirt. Okay, so we've got this shirt there. I can update this image with something already in here. So as you can see, lots of different images within here, or I can upload one right from my own store. So I've got different images here that I want to use. So I can use this one, for example. It'll upload it, and I can sub this one in. Okay, so I'm going to use this image. As you can see, it's a little bit different to what is, you know, it doesn't have a transparent background. So if I uploaded it with a transparent background, that would be cool. But what I could do is I could change this background here to reflect that as well. So it sort of just goes layers up like that. Now, as you can see, I'm working in an interesting sort of a work area here. What I can do is I can toggle it so I can see exactly what it's going to show up like online. So I can literally go about moving everything around to make it ideal for displaying it online. Okay, I can add in grids, things like that, to make it easy to be able to see what it's going to look like too. Now on this button here, we actually have a shop now button. So I can go about editing the action for this. I can make it go to a URL, put a URL to my website.com, okay, and I can make it display on whatever slide I want. Now you can add in different slides and make it skip through different scenes if you wanted to. So this is one slide. We can add another one from blank if we want to as well. Okay, now that is basically, it's very, very simple to be able to see what is included, how to do all of this. If we just work our way through here, we can change out the background color. So as you can see, it's got nothing going on, template white, whatever we want. We can add text as well, so we can drag text onto it and just start writing demo. Okay, and again, we could go about changing the color within this like we talked about just before. Now let's say we want to add an animation to this text. I go edit transition. I can change the way it displays in and out, so I can have it bounce in or whatever I want. I can check it by clicking play, and it'll show you what it looks like. Expand. oops, we got this, and we go duration, we can make it do that so it comes in slowly. So as you can see, it is changing around there. Okay, you can stagger the delay as to when it's going to come in on this animation, and again you can do various actions as well. Different special effects, different there's like select available effect to modify, background fill, so it's just going to fill in the background. So if we go special effects, background fill, looks like the only one available for there. It will just slowly fill the background on a gradient. Okay, we can add in different buttons as well. As you can see, we've got the shop now button, so again you just drag and drop them over. Same with different images, you can choose whatever's in stock, or if you uploaded your own image you could use that as well. Elements, what have we got here? We got little various boxes and things like that that you can go about putting text over, and of course different fonts like you would expect as well. So basically creating a design is pretty easy. It's a case of just working through the design editor. I'm not going to bore you with just trying to play with every single tool within this. Once we got this, you can see animation. Again, you can got a few editing options up the top as well. You can configure the size it's going to be. However, this is a square logo. So once we've done all this, you can see the grid. Take off the safe area, whatever, we can save this as a project. So I'm going to call this the demo project. Okay, and click save. This is all ready to go. Now if I want to use this, I click this download button down here. As you can see, I get an embed code, HTML slideshow, download the image to my computer, download it as a GIF, download it as an MP4, or export it as a PDF or publish. Now if I use the embed code to put it in my website, I can actually track analytics to this as well, how many clicks are going through, and again you can download HTML images, things like that, so not exactly rocket science. So let's exit out of this and get back to the main menu. So here we are at the main menu. As you can see, different designs, projects, clicks, stats and things like that. Top banners, we can see the top performing ones that are performing well on our websites. If we go up into here, we got the option to be able to do split testing, so convert two different banners to see what's getting the most views, click-throughs and everything like that. We can do the retargeting as well, so put the pixel IDs in and use them for retargeting ads as well. So that is what's available in the front end version of this. There is also an agency upgrade that allows you to be able to add a new team to be able to create these for you as well, should you have clients. So that's basically it. The big selling features of this is the animated banners, being able to export them in multiple different ways, and also the full commercial license on the front end, allowing you to make money with this straight up on Fiverr as soon as today, or with your own existing clients. So that is PixelMate. Check it out in detail down below for more information about this cool design software.